They told me not to smoke on ITV, but I say, you know, one man's pleasure is another man's poison. Now, once in a while, a new talent arrives, such as Eva Peron in the old days. And Eva had some big hits. Remember Eva, by the Everly Brothers. And now we have a young person, Basil Bush's sister, who, as you know, was responsible for that great hit, Withering Tights. Ladies and gentlemen, a lady who's going to be absolutely enormous and look quite big now, Kate Bush and the Bushwhackers.